I love to remind myself about leveraging on communities to scale businesses. And there is a very specific example about B2B SaaS, but I think it applies to any kind of business. And that is examples like Vercel or Shopify. The cool thing about these two businesses that they have a lot in common is the fact that they leveraged a lot on an existing community to grow. And in this case, both of them did the same. They leveraged on the development or the software development community. So Shopify started out was founded by Tavo Luque, which is a hardcore software developer. He was doing Ruby on Rails stuff back in the day, and he built this. I think it was like this kind of like e-commerce to sell snowboards, and that's how Shopify started. But the cool thing about Shopify is that they never forgot about the developers. They have a beautiful documentation around their APIs and all the tech stack, and they have a lot of reusable software that's open source and that people can just walk in and use, right? And that's one of the main reasons why they've been out there for so long, because anyone can build on top of Shopify, and that's the magic of it. Vercel did something very similar. They started out with a different name and they released Next.js, and Next.js now powers millions and millions and millions of really well-known websites that you probably used. And that's exactly what they did as well. They leveraged on a community, allowing and empowering developers to build on top of their platform, right? There are multiple examples about this in the software world, but I think this analogy applies to any kind of business. So if you're trying to scale or trying to penetrate some kind of market, think about that, how you can leverage on an existing community to actually make great impact and allow others to build on top of a platform you can create. If you like this one, join me on my journey with the Founder Memo, a daily reminder with insights and hacks about business. I hope to see you tomorrow.